Insurance and cleaning gutters. Reading policy wordings can be boring. Rather than discussing policy wordings clause by clause, we will look at a few scenarios and try and understand the underlying principles. We start with the general section of the policy. This section applies to all the other sections. In this video we will look at what gutters can teach us about insurance. As always, first things first.
The purpose of this video is not to give advice. Advice follows a procedure of needs analysis and a recommendation based on the analyses that will solve an identified need. That is why you need to consult with an advisor before making changes to your financial portfolio. Obviously there is no needs analysis and hence there can be no advice. The purpose of this video is to share knowledge and insights so that you have a better understanding of insurance. A better understanding will lead to an overall better insurance experience. Please subscribe to my channel to be notified of future videos, also like and share the video, if you found it valuable. Now let's get back to our topic.
Principles of insurance. I call it the elevated garden. The overgrown gutters. No doubt you have seen a few of these. When the rain comes, the water just flows everywhere. The overflowing gutters may lead to water damage to the building and contents. Under the buildings section, water damage is usually covered. Therefore, the first response is to say, yes, water damage is covered. But, will the insurance pay for water damage if you have an elevated garden, or overgrown gutters? Please read your own policy wording, as wordings differ. Or consult your broker. In all likelihood, your own policy wording will also have a clause like this: duty of care, you must take all reasonable precautions, and all reasonable care, to prevent or minimize loss, damage, death, injury or liability. When the assessor comes out and sees the elevated garden, the overgrown gutters, do you think the assessor will report that you complied with the duty of care and followed all reasonable care to prevent a loss? Insurance covers sudden, unforeseen events. I would call it accidents. If we neglect our duty of care and maintenance, we cannot expect the insurance company to pick up the bill to repair the damage that follows. I have my doubts that the water damage claim will be paid, because the overgrown gutters was the real cause of the loss, and not the rain. The principle of care and maintenance goes beyond dirty gutters. What about leaving your bicycle unlocked at the mall? Of parking your car with the keys in the ignition? Leaving the front door unlocked and the house unoccupied, when you go away? Having said all this, each and every claim must always be evaluated on its own merit. Please subscribe and ring the bell below to be notified when I upload new videos. If the video was useful, please like and share it. Leave your comments below, so I can hear your thoughts. You are welcome to ask short-term insurance-related questions below.